absolutely 100% would recommend that you take my Pediatric Feeding Disorders and Anxiety course. It's called Pediatric Feeding Disorders and Anxiety. Don't feed the monster. The reason why it's called that is because the monster is anxiety. The monster is anxiety. What we feed him with is avoidance. And that's what these kids do. The more they avoid, the more the monster grows and thrives. And anxiety will take up any space you allow it to. So when it comes to a little 5-year-old, especially, the techniques in that course, it's only a 2-hour course to help you really understand how anxiety comes into play. And I do give you 4 or 5 strategies as well. But the most important thing to understand is what anxiety feels like to these kids and how hard it is for them to squelch that feeling. So the only way they can subdue that feeling is to avoid what brings that feeling up in the first place. And that's the vicious cycle. So I would highly recommend that course for you. If you do want to get CEUs, you have to take my course bundle, which is a bundle of all 3 of my video courses: the Picky Eater course, Pediatric Nutrition, and the anxiety course that I just mentioned. Those are 9.5 hours total. And that course will also give you CEUs. So you'll find all that information on my website.